Welcome back for another Matic price prediction analysis, and at the time of this recording, Matic continues to hold above the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is now acting as support for us to continue gearing out. We have also continued to hold above support at around the $0.6227 mark, and as long as Matic continues to hold above that, we can expect higher prices to our next key area of resistance at around the 0.75, that is the $0.7 mark. But if by any chance we lose that key area of support and also lose the 20-day MA on the 4-hour chart, and also maybe get a retest of this key area of support, there are chances that we might see a bit of a pullback to our next key area of support at around the $0.57 mark, which will be another make or break point on the Matic chart where we can find support and then get another massive bounce back to the upper side. And jumping to the daily chart to also give you my long-term Elliot wave analysis here on the Matic chart, where you can see that there are high chances that soon we are going to continue gearing up and continue unlocking higher prices and maybe get to all-time highs here on the Matic chart. And you can easily see that back in 2020 we saw those lows before we saw that massive bounce, giving us the all-time high at around the $2.9 mark, completing the formation of these Elliot wave count 1 to the upper side. Then we started a corrective structure in the formation of these wave 2 into the minimum target areas highlighted on the charts using this red target area, which is an area that we have now fully maximized, and there are high chances that we also have a low in place for the second wave, and we can see a reaction of these and get impulsive in the start of an impulse in the formation of these wave 3 to the upper side. And assuming that we have lows for the second wave, I can give you minimum target areas for the third wave by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me minimum target areas for the third wave at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $5.1 mark. And that is the minimum that we can expect Matic to do in the next bull market. So that is what I'm keeping my eyes on the short term and also on the long term. And I hope that video was of much help to you. And if it was, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership.